It's someone saying chirp, chirp, chirp. Look up, up in the sky. Flapping her wings is little Miss Bird. Let's add some grass and maybe we'll get to call Miss Bird. Shall we try calling her? Hey, Miss Bird, are you around? Shh, I think something's coming. Good job, little ones. I think we found Miss Bird. Did you meet little Miss Bird? If not, it's okay. Keep trying. She will definitely fly to you soon. And as always, remember to have fun. Hello, little learners. Let's jump into the number world and count from 1 to 10. We'll match, sort, have fun and play and learn new numbers every day. Here we have our friend Neil. He has to jump one step at a time and get to number 10. He's going to start at number 1 and all he needs is this magic number to get from 1 all the way to 10. Great job getting Neil to number 5. Can you try getting him one step at a time to number 10? Good luck.